So, hello everyone, welcome back to Olive Board. Now, there is a very good news for all the regulatory bodies aspirants. So, now you may be preparing for your RBI, Grade B exams, as well as maybe NABARD Grade A exam, or maybe there are also some students who are preparing for SEBI exam. तो आप चाहे आरबीआई के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, नाबार्ड के लिए या इवन सेबी के लिए या फिर किसी और रेगुलेटरी बॉडी के लिए, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा मौका है. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू बिकॉज नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक एनएचबी notification is out for 2023. So overall, if you see National Housing Bank's recruitment for 2023 notification is out. Let us in depth try to see the notification. So here when I go on Google and when I type National Housing Bank notification, the first here when you click, automatically it will take you the section of opportunity at National Housing Bank. You can see here that the first post which has been given, the recruitment for various posts 2023-2024, this is where you have to click, and then recruitment of various posts 2023-2024, detailed advertisement has been given, as well as you can even apply online right now. Now let us first go through the complete notification of our National Housing Bank notification of 2023. Okay, before jumping into notification, let's first understand what is National Housing Bank. So for the people who don't know about National Housing Bank, it is an apex institution or body which is in the field of housing finance. Okay, so earlier when National Housing Bank was instituted or maybe established in 1988 till 2018, it was under the arms of RBI. Okay, so if you see, National Housing Bank looks after finance of housing, promotion of housing, both at rural level also as well as at urban level also. You would have heard the schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Now this scheme is majorly associated with National Housing Bank because National Housing Bank looks after the finances, all finances of such governmental schemes related to housing. The other thing associated with National Housing Bank is that it also looks for the financing of housing for different housing institutions, as well as it also looks into refinancing of different housing institutions as well as some housing bodies which look into the or maybe are involved in the creation of infrastructure for the housing. So this was just overall information. After 2019, National Housing Bank is no more under the RBI. Government has bought major stakes of National Housing Bank, and now National Housing Bank is a total government entity. Okay, so let's jump into our notification. I think that much is more than enough. The first thing which we will see, recruitment is for the year of 2023-2024. Now, the one thing every candidate should know that you can apply online only on National Housing Bank website. Date is from 28/09/2023 to 18/10/2023. So from 28 September to 18 October. So remember that for all the RBI grade B students, though for the students जिनका phase 2 नहीं निकला है, right? For all the NABARD student, there are some students who are preparing for NABARD. There are also some students who were very sad when SEBI's notification did not come. This is a very good opportunity for you कि आप ये नोटिफिकेशन और ये जो रिक्रूटमेंट आई है उसके लिए आप अप्लाई करो. ठीक है, अब द अदर इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स विच वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, कट ऑफ डेट फॉर एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया जो है आपका 1 सितंबर 2023. वेबसाइट लिंक विच इज ओपन फॉर ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन अगर मैं बात करूं, एज वेल एज फॉर फी पेमेंट, दैट इज एप्लीकेशन जब आप अप्लाई करोगे, वो है 28/09/2023 till the last date is 18th October 2023. So briefly अगर हम देखें, आपके पास मिलते हैं आपको इन टोटल ऑलमोस्ट, अगर आप देखते हो तो आपको 20-25 डेज मिल जाते हैं. ओके ना, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर आपका ई कॉल लेटर जो है उसका इंटीमेशन आपको नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक जो आपकी वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर मिलेगा. द इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट एज वेल एज द phase 1 whatever the first level is there, that also whatever the call letters are there, everything would be declared. The final result also will be declared on the NHB's website. Now, let us look at all the regular posts. Now, remember very carefully and also concentrate now what I am trying to tell you all. ये जो जनरल मैनेजर की पोस्ट है, प्रोजेक्ट फाइनेंस, डिप्यूटी जनरल मैनेजर, चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर, असिस्टेंट जनरल मैनेजर, इकोनॉमिस्ट, डेप्यूटी मैनेजर, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. नाउ दीज ऑल पोस्ट्स आर स्पेशलाइज्ड पोस्ट विथ एक्सपीरियंस. बट ये जो पोस्ट है आपकी जनरलिस्ट, दिस डज नॉट रिक्वायर्स एनी एक्सपीरियंस एंड नीदर एनी स्पेसिफिक बैकग्राउंड. इन टोटल आपके पास अगर देख सकते हो अगर आप, तो आपके पास 16 नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट्स है. ओके, overall every specialized as well as general post if you add, you are getting 43 posts. Okay, now the next thing to understand is about eligibility. Eligibility here has been mentioned. Okay, for every post different eligibility has been there. Okay, apart from that, nationality, citizenship, you would be knowing that definitely you should be a citizen of India. Okay, apart from that, citizen of Nepal, Tibet, okay, and who are settling in India. These are minor things which you would be reading about. Now, what we were interested in, assistant manager scale 1. Why? Because this is generalist post. Whatever the age criteria is there, it is from 21 years to 30 years. So briefly, if your age is between 21 to 30 years, you can apply for this generalist post. Now, after age discussion, let's move towards the qualification, academic qualification, which will determine which people can apply here. Remember here, very good news for all the students, a full-time bachelor's degree in any discipline. I hope you get it. A full-time bachelor's degree in any discipline for the generalist post, that is JMGS1 assistant manager. No prior experience is also required, and broader skill set, if you see, a good communication skill which is written and oral. That's it. In academic qualification, you should have a bachelor degree in any discipline with minimum 60%. If you are having post graduation or maybe master's degree, then aggregate minimum 55% you should be having at minimum. So I hope that major of the students who are preparing for RBI, NABARD as well as SEBI, majorly they can directly, without even thinking twice, they can apply for these 16 posts. You don't worry about it, because we Olive Board, we will definitely come up with a good plan, strategy as well as a course for you which is dedicated for National Housing Bank and for your selection in this specific assistant manager's post. Okay, so just you wait. Okay, and till tomorrow we will give you the updates related to our course. Job profile, if I tell you, for generalist post. Okay, so overall job profile also has been mentioned. So here, if you see, some of the important instructions have been given for assistant manager's post. Okay, so here, as you would be knowing, candidates, whatever graduation is there, you should have result with you. Okay, the results which are awaited of the candidates, those are not eligible. Okay, apart from that, important information, whatever documents you should be carrying, those should be declared. The result should be declared before 1 September. The certificates or documents which are asked particularly, those should be original. Okay, apart from that, the important information which I tell you, then comes the selection process for generalist post of assistant manager JMGS1. When I talk about it, look at it very carefully. Reasoning and computer aptitude is for 45 questions, total 60 marks, and the medium is English as well as Hindi. You are getting 60 minutes to solve those. Okay, also these are separately timed, so similar to RBI, this is separately timed. Okay, so sectional timing is there. Then comes general awareness, which is having special focus on economy, banking and computer. Again 50 questions for 50 marks in English as well as in Hindi, and here the time allocated is 40 minutes. Then comes English language, 25 questions, 30 maximum marks, English medium, and here you could see in 35 minutes. Again, I am telling you, whatever the sections are there, those are having sectional time also. Now in quantitative aptitude, they are saying that data analysis and data interpretation has a special emphasis. So what does this mean? For all the RBI grade B preparing aspirants, this is a great opportunity to you, because in RBI grade B also, अगर आप देखते हो RBI grade B में हर बार डेटा एनालिसिस और डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन के 2 सवाल आते हैं और वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होते हैं, और उससे आपके 4-5 सवाल तो छूट ही जाते हैं। एक क्वेश्चन के ऊपर 4-5 सवाल आपके छूट जाते हैं। सो इन टोटल डेटा एनालिसिस एंड इंटरप्रिटेशन आरबीआई में कितने क्वेश्चंस आते हैं? ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 10 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। सो हियर ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी इन क्वांट फॉर यू। 35 क्वेश्चंस, 60 marks, English and Hindi, and 45 minutes is your time allocation. In total, if you see, 155 questions are there for 200 marks, and in total you are having 3 hours. Apart from that, here again a English language test is also there, but this English language test is not a selection criteria but a qualifying criteria. तो ये आपका डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग है। दिस इज अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर राइटिंग इन विच यू विल बी गिवन लेटर राइटिंग क्वेश्चन एंड अ एसे टू राइट ऑन। 2 क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे 25 मार्क्स के लिए, टोटली इन इंग्लिश and for 30 minutes, and this is descriptive in nature. Rest of the questions were objective in nature, but this descriptive part which we are talking about of English language, that is qualifying. Okay, so here's the main thing. Whatever scores which would be obtained by candidates would be normalized, जो कि normal banking exams में होता ही है. Descriptive test is qualifying in nature, and that is why it is not responsible for shortlisting of कैंडिडेट्स फॉर द इंटरव्यू। आपका इंटरव्यू का जो शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगा वो होगा टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट्स। आई होप यू गेट दिस। अदर थिंग इज दैट द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द कैंडिडेट वुड बी व्हेन मेरिट लिस्ट वुड बी गिवन आफ्टर दिस phase 1, एंड द phase 2 सिलेक्शन इज नथिंग बट योर इंटरव्यू। सो phase 1 है आपका ये ऑब्जेक्टिव रीजनिंग एंड कंप्यूटर, जनरल अवेयरनेस, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, quantitative aptitude, this objective assessment. Then comes descriptive assessment of English language. If you clear the merit cutoff, then you go for phase 2, that is your interview. Overall, these were the important things, and now we come towards the grade pay. Okay, the overall grade pay of the assistant manager generalist post. So here assistant manager, this is a scale 1 post. The base pay is 36,000, and including all your deductions, including all your allowances, it goes, as well as when you will be promoted also, and your increment, including that, it will go up till 63,840. So just understand this, that the base pay is 36,000 and it will go up to 63,840. This was it all about this assistant manager's post. Is again, I'll repeat, it's generalist, and here everybody, the generalist post, all the students जो कि आरबीआई के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं या फिर किसी और बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, आप आराम से इस नोटिफिकेशन के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो। सो आप भले ही रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज का प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज के एग्जाम्स का, भले आप किसी बैंकिंग का प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, ओके, एसएससी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, दिस इज अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू गाइज। Apart from that, if you see assistant manager scale 1 जो जनरलिस्ट की पोस्ट है, as we all know 2 साल का इसको प्रोबेशन पीरियड होगा। ओके, टोटल एप्लीकेशन फी अगर मैं बताऊं 850 रुपीज की जो फी है, ओके, दिस इज फॉर जनरल कैंडिडेट्स। ओके, सेंटर्स यहां पर दिए गए हैं फॉर योर द एग्जामिनेशन phase 1। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, अगर आपको अप्लाई करना हो, ओनली अप्लाई ऑन नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक्स portal or website. Photo dimensions, everything has been given. You have to upload your photograph of dimension, signature in black ink, left thumb impression again in black or blue ink. There has been given, they have also given you a handwritten declaration, and this is how you could see you have to at the end pay through online payment again, okay, on www.nhb.org. Okay, this is the website. Okay, so apart from that, I don't think any more information you would be needing, guys. Okay, पूरी notification को ठीक से पढ़ लेना. Tomorrow we will come up with the total description discussing the life of National Housing bank assistant manager, job profile, salary, pays and perks, responsibility, okay, as well as how to apply and other informations. Apart from that, we will also launch the course. So stay tuned, and we as Olive Board will definitely bring you a course which you cannot miss, and which will help you for your preparation and clearing this particular post of assistant manager scale 1 for generalist post this time. Okay, so best of luck. See you